Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Minecraft Forge exit code 1 error. So there is a couple of reasons. First reason can be your Forge is out of date. You need to have a newer version of the Forge. So just open a browser, then you just need to write Forge and then select the latest version and download the recommended one. Okay, wait for a couple of seconds here and download to your computer. Once it's done, just install the latest version here. Make sure that Minecraft launcher is completely closed, and then just install the Forge, right? Wait for a few seconds until installation process is done. And then try to launch the game and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, another reason can be that you don't have a Java 17. So you just need to write Java 17 and then select by Oracle and then download Java 17 to your computer. I have Windows PC, so I just need to download Java 17 for my Windows PC. All right, so just save it to desktop. And after download process is done, just open Java and then install the latest version to your computer here and look if the problem persists after that. Another reason it can be your mods. Some mods can be out of date and it can be the issue. So what you need to do here is to write run on your search, then write %tab data%, go to a .minecraft and then look for mods folder. And then what you need to do here is to just drag every mod of your folder here. And then you just need to add one by one and then add one mod, go to Minecraft and then hit play and look if the game is completely running. If you basically undo until you get an error message, and then you will see what mods causing the problem, and then you just need to delete them and don't drag to the main mods folder. And yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press and subscribe for more.